Hello coders, welcome to our quick guide on JavaScript Essential. My name is Blas, and then let's dive right in. So JavaScript has three ways to declare variable: var, let, const, and then here is the first example. So variable name equals my name plus Ricardo, let age, so let 23, my constant variable equals country, and then Philippines. So this is how you do it. The next slide is functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Here's a simple function that greets a user. So JavaScript functions greet, open parenthesis, name, close parenthesis, and then sharp bracket, return hello, $sign, and then the name, which will be here. So next is JavaScript objects are containers for named values. Here's an example. So let person equals open bracket, name, my name, age, and then country, Philippines. So this is the example here. Then that's it for our quick guide on JavaScript Essentials. Stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!